Hello everyone, so if you want to enable voice input on your Motorola Razr 50, first of all locate your settings, open up your settings tab. Now you're to scroll down to your system, here it is, and in your system we are to find our keyboard tab. Choose your keyboard option, find your on-screen keyboard, open it up, and now make sure to enable your Google Voice typing. So simply tap on the switch near it, press OK. And now we've basically enabled this option. If you're gonna tap on your Google Voice typing, you'll get more settings. So go through them, add more languages or not. Now let's try it out. So open your keyboard. I'll do that through Google. Now press on the microphone icon. And basically that's it. That's how our voice typing works. Perfect. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.